First, we need to enable DevHub in our developer org. So we will go to Setup and then click DevHub and we'll enable it. DevHub is enabled in our developer org. Now we will authorize our hub org in VS Code first, and later we will create our Scratch org with AI settings. So our org is authorized. Now we will set it as default org and try to create a Scratch org. But to enable AI settings in our Scratch org, we need to add additional settings in our project.json file. Let's add the settings in JSON file and create Scratch org. So we need to add Einstein AI platform setting in features and Einstein GPT settings as true. So our Scratch org has been created and set as default org in VS Code. Let's check its settings in Setup. We can see Agent Studio, Agents, Agent Actions are present. Testing Center is also present. Once we enable the Agentforce setting here, it will show us the default agent. So we can now use Testing Center to test our agents. Can create agent actions and new agents in a newly created Scratch org. If you check Agentforce for developers, it is by default enabled and Einstein setup is also enabled. This org you can also use to create flow using Einstein.